Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are staying at Universal Studios. We are at one of their premier hotels. We are at Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort. We are in Wing 2. There's 3 different buildings. They call them by wings. So we're in Wing 2, room 311. So we are on the 3rd floor, which is also the main floor. So very convenient if you're coming back late. You don't want to have to be going up and down elevators, especially at night with the little ones. You just walk right in. This is the front door where you enter. This is just a nice little wall here. You're gonna come around this way and we have a big, beautiful bathroom. Hello. This is gonna be a very nice big mirror here. You have another mirror here and a sink to get ready. You have your towels. You do have a blow dryer. You have a little cap, lotion, hand wash. You also have a makeup mirror, and I thought was really nice in here. You do have some little Q-tips, cotton balls, which is very nice. Not all resorts give that nowadays, so that's a very nice touch. Then coming in here, this is also a barn door, so it can separate the shower to the toilet and the sink. You're going to open this up here, and we have a nice, big, beautiful bathroom. You have your toilet, and you have a huge, very nice shower. And just keep in mind there is a step up, so if you're a handicap or you have little ones, you maybe prefer a bathtub or easier walkway for any reason, just keep that in mind. This room does have a step up, so if you do book here, I would just, if that's a problem, make sure that you have a bathroom that's a little bit easier. Maybe if you can't step up, you have a step here as well. You have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and you also have another bar of soap, as well as you have the clothesline that goes across so that you can hang your bathing suits, and you have a handheld as well as a little rainfall shower head there. Then I'm going to come back away this way. Right in here is going to be our nice, pretty big closet. You have extra pillows, blanket, ironing board. You're safe, plenty of hangers, as well as there is laundry here. Laundry that they can do and laundry that you can do yourself. And then we have our luggage there on our little stand. I'm gonna close this up. You have your AC coming around this way. You have a very nice big TV. I want to say it's about 48 inch, maybe 50 inch. You have 3 drawers here that you can put stuff in, and it is slow close as well, so little ones with fingers, that's very good. Now when you come in here, you have your fridge, decent sized fridge. We were able to get some water in there, so that's going to be nice for a hot day tomorrow. Then over here we do have our coffee maker. You have some little cups, coffee, you have some teas. And down here you have your ice bucket as well as some cups. You also have like some sugars and whatnot there for you as well, and some creamer. All right, so coming around this way now, this is going to be our room. We have 2 queen beds. Very, very, very nice in here. And I do have to say, the resort when you entered smelled delicious. It smells very like this is supposed to be kind of like a Hawaiian kind of field island vibe. Very nice to smell, and very nice to smell in the rooms as well, and not overpowering, because I'm one that can get a little bit sniffly or get a headache. Very subtle, but very nice. You have a nice big mural here. You do have reading lights, as well as you do have plenty of plug-ins and outlets. Right over here you have a clock, radio, the phone, and you have some more plug-ins right here. Have a little drawer, have our Bible. And this is going to be the girls' bed. Excuse, we have some stuff going on here already, but we do have another reading light on this side as well. We have a nice little chair here. You can sit down, overlook. This is our view, kind of looking, again, it's island theme, so lots of palm trees and very nice outside. And then you do have a little working table here. You have plenty of outlets on the table, as well as on top of the table and on the lamp itself. You have a nice little beach view here, and hello, you have another nice big mirror. Now this I thought was for storage. Does not open up, which is fine. Another nice place you could put luggage or bags. And then we are back in our entrance here. So that is our room. Again, this is a 2-queen bed standard room, a Lowe's Royal Pacific Resort, room wing 2, room number 311. Let us know what you want to see next. And if you have any questions about the resort, I'll try and answer them down below. You all have a great rest of your day.